Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a quick video on this brown smoky eye that I did using the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. So if you would like to see how I did this, please keep on watching. So the palette that I'm using today is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. It just looks like this. I've only used this once when it first came out and I have done a video on it. I will try and link it down below, but I wanted to get it out today and have a play. So the first thing I'm going to go in with is this burnt brown orange shade here, which is called Cayenne. Pack that in my, just a bit over my crease. It's really nice and pigmented, that, as you can see. I mean, I have done a few layers, but yeah, so far so good. Just taking a blender brush, I'm just going to blend my edges out. And I just blend it back on itself. I don't blend up because I'm going to go in with a transition shade after I've just blended these edges. Right, using that same fluffy blender brush, I'm going to go in with this light brown shade called Sauced, and I'm just going to buff out my edges with that shade and make a transition with him. Now, I've gone a bit out with my colour that I didn't want to do, so I'm just going to get a clean blender brush and just buff that back down. I'm then going to go in with this aubergine colour here. This is called Ashes, and it's just like a plummy purple shade. I don't know if the purple's translating on camera, but it looks very brown. Then, using my finger, I'm going to go in with this shimmery shade here called Scorched, and I'm just going to take a little bit on my ring finger and I'm just going to pat it just in the middle because I don't want it to be like a bold colour. I just want a hint of it there. Can you see that? It just gives it a little pizzazz. I'm just going to put some of the NYX Slide On Glide On liner in Golden Bronze into my waterline. So underneath I'm actually going to smudge in Fuego, which is more of a pinky shade, but I'm going to smudge that underneath. Using a fluffy brush, I'm going to mix a bit of Sauced and Chaser together just to buff under that, but I don't want it to be as brown. Now, if like me you've gone a bit far out and your spare brush isn't blending it out, pop a bit of your concealer on it and just buff the edges. And it'll bring it right back into line. Just going to take a bit of Ounce and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. On the inner corner I'm going to use a pigment. This is a pigment from the cosmetic brand K Rose B. I'll show you the... Anyway, this is in the shade Pagan. Now it's a white gold, so it's like white with a gold reflect to it. I'm going to put that on my inner corner. And then, because I'm extra, I'm going to put a bit of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in Midnight Cowboy over the top of that. Purely extra. You do not need to do this. It's not even picking it up on camera, is it? So guys, that's the finished look. What do you think? It wasn't what I was expecting, but I really like it and I think it's a lovely classic smoky eye, and I liked that I could use different colours. A lot of the colours are very similar when they blend together, which is a shame, but I imagine if you paired them with lighter shades and stuff you would get that that difference. But yeah, I thought it blended very well and this is the look that I created. So thank you ever so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please do give me a thumbs up and think about subscribing if you would like to see more from me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!